Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn an additional $5,000 to $10,000 per month passively. Yes, and I just want to share this information because there are some opportunities where you can pretty much work on it for a few months and it could become a passive income for you as long as you put in the work in the beginning. And not only that, as long as the opportunity is duplicatable. So that's really important when it comes to opportunities. If you have something that allows people to make money, you will continuously make money. And the thing is that a lot of opportunities out there don't work, or they don't work fast enough in order for people to see results. So what I want to do is share some information with you about a great opportunity that I'm a part of that I think will be very beneficial for those who are looking to make an additional income. And I want to start off with proof because this is not to boast, but to show you what's possible when you join a great opportunity that you can leverage and actually start producing results with. So here, I sent $10,000 over to my bank account, and this is what I received in 1 month from one account that I've been pretty much producing results with over and over and over again. And you may not start out with $10,000, but you can absolutely 100% build this up to $10,000 or more. Okay. Here I'm going to just refresh and you guys will see this is live information from today, which is March 7th. And again, this is a balance of $10,561 that went over to my bank account from my Stripe account. Now for this, information that I'm going to share with you, you are going to need a few things. You will need to have a smartphone. It doesn't matter if it's Android or an iPhone. You are going to need to have a third-party payment processor. Now that can be Stripe, it could be PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, Venmo. These are the ones that I recommend. If you are not in the US and you have another payment processor, that will also be available for you to use with this system. I would just make sure that you have something that you can connect to your bank account, because any funds that you receive are going to be direct payments and they're going to go directly from your third-party payment processor to your bank account. And yes, this is for people who are in the US and also for those who are outside of the US. So no matter where you're located, you can actually get started with this system and start earning a full-time income online. Okay, so the opportunity that we're going to talk about today is called My Software Business. And what I love about this is that you do not have to try to recruit people online if you don't want to. You can just give people the phone number, share the phone number, and there's different ways that you can do that. Even if you are just working this business offline, you're just sharing the phone number and then allowing the phone number to do the work for you. So there's an AI success coach that's on the other end when you sign up, that's going to do the selling and selling for you by you just sharing a phone number. And again, you can do this online or you can do this offline. And there's no right or wrong. If you're not yet confident with working online, there's other offline strategies that I'll be going over that will allow you to start making money with the system. So My Software Business, what is this? This is a technology that allows you to make a one-time payment and start getting reoccurring payments over and over and over again of $200. Not only that, the software has an automation suite where there's 12 value-packed enterprise level softwares for a one-time fee. So you're going to learn exactly how to market this opportunity in not only just one way, but they're going to give you 12 different value-packed software suites that's going to help you to start producing results. And again, there's no right or wrong on how you're going to market this opportunity. It's just basically about what way resonates with you, what makes you feel comfortable when you get started. Now, the thing is this is a business in a box. This is an opportunity to earn money, but not only that, it has the digital educational platform that's going to show you how to do it over and over and over again. So if there's one way that you love, stick with that, run with that for the next 90 to 120 days, build up that consistency, and you'll start to see reoccurring payments coming into your account. Now, when you click on the link below, it's going to have basically a way for you to create your account. And then this is going to take you through the process of how to make the payment and what to do next to set up your own phone number and website. So you can advertise this through your website, or you can advertise it directly through a phone number. Okay. This software is going to, again, do the work for you so that you don't have to worry about trying to pitch people your opportunity, tell people what it's all about. You don't have to worry about, selling this to anybody, rejection. You don't have to worry about any complicated tools to set up. And what I love about it the most is that people that are not in the US can also benefit from using the system and start earning as well. So if you are interested in what this system is all about, right in the description below is the link to get more information. You can also watch the video that goes into detail about the technology, how to use it, and not only that, why it's so duplicatable and easy for people to start earning with it. So I want to just say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Have a great day.